But before we go to our topic, let us know who is Edwin A. Lux. Edwin A. Lux is internationally known for his research on goal setting. He was born on January 5, 1938. He is Dean's Professor of Leadership and Motivation at Robert H. Smith School of Business. He has published more than 300 chapters, notes, and articles in professional journals on such subjects as work motivation, job satisfaction, incentives, and the philosophy of science. He is also the author and editor of 12 books, including The Selfish Path of Romance, How to Love with Passion and Reason, Study Methods and Study Motivation, A Motivational Technique That Works, A Theory of Goal Setting and Task Performance, New Developments in Goal Setting and Task Performance, Handbook of Principles and Organizational Behavior, The Prime Movers, Traits of the Great Wealth Creators, and Postmodernism and Management. According to the recent surveys, they found out that Lux goal setting is the most important among the 73 management theories. His work has been supported by numerous research grants, and he has served as a consultant to research and private businesses. So now that we have a brief conversation about Edwin Lux's biography, let's move on our topic, goal setting theory. The goal setting theory. The goal setting theory was the first studied by Dr. Lux in the middle of 1960s. He continued to do more studies in relation to this theory. In 1996, he published another article entitled Motivation Through Conscious Goal Setting. The article is about his 30 years of research findings on the relationship between conscious performance goals and performance on work tasks. The basic contents of a goal setting theory are summarized in terms of 14 categories of findings discussed in the article. Lux first described that the approach of the goal setting theory is based on what Aristotle called final causality. This is action caused by purpose. It accepts the axiomatic status of consciousness and volition. It also assumes that introspective reports provide useful and valid data for formulating psychological concepts and measuring psychological phenomena. Then, he discussed the attributes of goal and his 14 research findings. The main purpose of this lesson is for us to achieve our dreams and set our goals. The question is, how can we set our goals? Diba? Paano tayo makakaset ng goals natin? So, sabi nga ni John Lux, according daw kay Aristotle, take action with a purpose para ma-achieve natin yung goal natin. So, gumawa tayo ng action na may patutunguhan. Let us do something with a purpose, not just for nothing. Kung talagang may dream ka, mag-set ka ng goals mo para maabot yung dream mo. Hindi naman pwedeng nag-dream ka lang, andyan na agad. Diba? Kailangan natin ng goal. So, ako bilang estudyante, ang goal ko is to have a degree and get a stable job. Dahil ang dream ko is mabuhay ng maayos, diba? If you have a dream, set your goals, diba? Step by step goals para ma-hit natin ng maayos or ng madali yung dream natin. Kasi hindi naman sa atin yan basta-basta ibibigay diba? Sabi nga sa title, do not just dream, make it happen, diba? Kumilos ka, gumawa ka ng mga bagay na alam mong makakatulong para dun sa pangarap mo, diba? Yun lang naman yung pinaka purpose ni Edwin Lux na do not just dream, make it happen. Achieve your dreams, set your goals. So, under the goal setting theory, we have goal attributes and it has a two aspect, the internal and external aspect. Internally, they are the ideas, and externally, they are referred to the object or condition. The idea guides action to attain the object. Two broad attributes of goals are content, the actual object sought, and intensity, the scope, focus, and complexity, among others, and the choice process. Qualitatively, the content of a goal is whatever the person is seeking. Quantitatively, two attributes of content, difficulty and specificity, have been studied.